Hi, this is Zen the Crypto Queen, and I wanted to start this video talking about XRP news today. So I found this on Twitter, and let's check it out real quick. It's a 1-minute video. Stand by.
All the XRP holders, as you guys already know, I'm a real estate developer. So what I'm about to tell you actually makes me happy. You can now use your XRP to purchase homes in United Emirates, Dubai. Yes, the company MAG, a really big real estate developer, announced that now they will be accepting XRP to sell their properties. So you don't have to worry about off-ramping from XRP to fiat anymore. This is a really big deal, guys. That's why the OBI application, the real estate marketplace application, allows you to use XRP inside the application to buy and sell homes. So next step, you will be using our application to buy homes in Dubai with your XRP. Follow and share, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll answer in a video. No matter what happens down the case, this is a big win for XRP holders.
And kind of explains why Garlinghouse moved 20% of the company to Dubai, right? Okay, here's another great article. Let's check this out. Okay, CEO Brad Garlinghouse reiterated that leading blockchain company would settle with the Securities and Exchange Commission only if the federal agency provided regulatory clarity for XRP. Okay, link to is, I'll get into that in a second, but he made it clear that they're ready to settle with the SEC as long as they can get clarity on XRP. Well, we've been waiting for that for a while, but like I said, I think it's going to get wrapped up by the end of third quarter at the latest, okay? So, yeah, here we go. Garlinghouse was specific about Bank of America, and B of A is huge, so he believes that Bank of America will gain a competitive advantage when the blockchain company settles with SEC. True enough. So let's go. Okay. So here's, I guess, a tweet by Link2, Ripple Lab CEO, stated to Link2, whatever his name is, Barafato, at Ripple in 2022 in London, that Bank of America is going to gain a competitive edge when they settle the case by using ODL in the marketplace. That is on-demand liquidity. Things are imminent. And starting with Dubai in that last little video, I think that the play, the show is the movie is playing and it's starting to happen. And, maybe it's just playing around between, what was it, 42 cents last week. It's 50. I don't know what it is today. I think I didn't check yet, but it's probably 51, 52 cents. But I have a feeling that once this starts moving, we're going to see some big jumps. And I can't, I just want to tell you, first of all, this is not financial advice. I simply share what I look at every day, and it's for education, entertainment purposes only. However, once you see kind of the writing on the wall and putting 20% of the company over in Dubai, and then Dubai flipping the switch like that, things are imminent that we will get past this SEC lawsuit and things will change immediately. I was going down the road of not wanting to make price predictions, but when you enter into a bullish atmosphere, things could change very quickly, and I'm hoping that they do. I know you are too, if you're part of the XRP community. I know I've been holding for a long time. I am married to it, and until anything changes, and it may change to the point where I take 10% out of what I do just to take some profits along the way. I have my benchmarks. I hope you have yours in place also. If you would like a one-on-one session so that you can discuss your goals with it or figure out how to buy it and how to store it properly, always available. You can email me at zendevon@gmail.com, and then we will switch to texting to set up payment and day and time that works for both of us, okay? I wanted to show you this, though. Link2 is a company, and they invest and sell in crypto. And I wanted you to see some key facts about Ripple and XRP Ledger, just so that you know what it does and why people are in the XRP army, because it does have utility. It will come into play. I'm thinking that some people won't even know that it'll come into play, just like some people don't know that SWIFT even exists in the back office of your banking, because a lot of people don't move money from country to country. And that's just the way that is, especially here in America, where 75% of people don't even have a passport, right? So they're not really thinking in terms of moving money from country to country on the daily. But there's a lot of money moving around the world every day. And so here's your key facts about Ripple. I will leave a link to this for you so that you can read it when you have time, because there's just a lot of really good reasons why we would segue banking into ODL, okay? And flip that switch and have XRP as a bridge currency, which if you are part of the XRP army and you are holding any amount of XRP is good news for you. So I just wanted to make this quick video to alert you to that. I thought this information coming out of Dubai so shortly after he announced that they opened a headquarters there, I thought that was good news. So on that note, I'm going to wrap it here for today, and I'll catch you on the next video. Love y'all, and ciao for now.